Namaste everyone, welcome to the class again. Now let us see this 21st question. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. So let us start. Here again we have two inequations combined together. Okay, but as x is involved in the middle part, we can solve it without splitting them. So I will write minus 3, it is less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3, it is less than 5 by 6. Okay, now what I will do, I will add 1 by 2 throughout. So when I add, I will get 1 by 2 minus 3 less than, here it will be minus 2 by 3 minus 2x by 3, and here it is 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2. So see here, 1 by 2 I have added throughout. So here it is 1 by 2 minus 3. Now here when I add 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will cancel, and here I have added 1 by 2. So I have added 1 by 2 throughout. Now here you will make your denominator same. So 1 by 2. So here it is 1 by 2 minus this will become 6 by 2. It is less than minus 2x upon 3, and this is less than or equal to, now here I will multiply this 1 by 2 by 3. Okay, so it is 5 by 6 plus this will be 3 by 6. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5 by 2 is less than minus 2x by 3 is less than or equal to 8 upon 6. Now 8 upon 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6, 4 by 3 you can say. Now throughout what you can do, you can multiply by 3 upon minus 2. So 3 upon minus 2 you multiply by this number. So this is minus 5 by 2. Now as you are multiplying by a number which has negative sign, this inequation sign will change. Here when you multiply by minus 3 upon 2, 3 upon minus 2, this will cancel and you have only 1, and here it will be greater than or equal to, now 4 by 3 multiplied by minus 3 upon 2. You write minus sign in denominator or numerator, it will not make any difference. Now here it is 5 3s are 15, this minus and minus will cancel, and 3 5s are 15, it will become 15 divided by 2 to the 4. This is greater than x, this is greater than or equal to, now we have minus, this 3 and 3 cancel, 2 to the 4, so this is minus 2. Now let us see what the problem says. Solve the following inequation and represent the solution set on the number line. Here x belongs to real number. Okay, that is important. We have to understand x belongs to what. So our solution set is x is equals to, now here it is lying between minus 2 and 15 by 4. You can see that minus 2 is included because x is greater than or equal to minus 2. That is, its value could be minus 2 or it could be more than minus 2. So for that we use this bracket. Okay, this is how we show it in the solution. We use this square bracket, and here it is less than 15 by 4. So 15 by 4 is not included, but all the points which are slightly less than 15.4 they are included. So for that we use this bracket. This is called open bracket. Okay, so this is my solution, and I have to represent this on number line also. So this is my number line. On number line, here we have 0, here we have minus 1, here we have minus 2, here we have plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now 15 by 4, so 4 3s are 12. 15 divided by 4 is 4 3s are 12.30, 4 7s are 28, 4 5s are 3.75. So between 3 and 4. So between 3 and 4, it is 15 by 4. 3 is 12 by 4. Then 13 by 4, 14 by 4, 15 by 4, and this is 16 by 4. So this point is your value 15 by 4. Now you have to include minus 2, but you have to exclude this 15 by 4. So you will start from here. use this completely filled line, then draw like this, and here you draw a circle but hollow circle, that means it is not filled, and this is your solution on the number line. So this is our question number 21. Now here the problem is question number 22. Solve the following inequation, write the solution set and represent it on the number line. -3, the problem is -3, in bracket we have x minus 7, it is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x, it is greater than x plus 1 divided by 3. Now here you see everywhere we have x, so we cannot solve it in one go, we have to split it. So we will divide it into an equation. We will say k minus 3 into x minus 7, this is greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x, and this 15 minus 7x, it is greater than or equal, it is greater than x plus 1 greater than x plus 1 upon 3. So we split in two separate inequations. Now here we open the bracket, so it is minus 3x plus 21 greater than or equal to 15 minus 7x, and 15 minus 7x is greater than x plus 1 upon 3. So as we have multiplied here, on this side also let us multiply this 3 on this left hand side. So it is 3 into, we will say that this is 3 into 15 minus 7x. Now this minus 7x I will bring on left, so minus 3x, and this minus 7x, it will come on left and it will become plus 7x. It is greater than or equal to 15 minus 21, and here also I will open the bracket. 3 into 15, we have 45, minus 7 3 we have 21x, it is greater than x plus 1. Minus 3x plus 7x is 4x. 4x is greater than or equal to 15 minus 21 is minus 6, and on this side we have minus 21x minus x. I will bring this x on the left hand side, it is greater than 1 minus 45. So here we will get x greater than minus 6 divided by 4, and here it is minus 22x greater than minus 44. So therefore x is greater than or equal to minus 3 upon 2, and here x is greater than minus 44 upon minus 20. X greater than or equal to minus 1.5. Okay, you can convert it in decimal, and x is greater than, here minus and minus will cancel and you will get 2. Okay, so both the places I am getting greater than sign. Let us check again. So this, when come on this side, it will become plus, and here we have minus 22. Okay, one mistake I have done, that here when I divide by minus 22, this sign should change. So from greater than it will become less than. So here x is less than 2, x is less than 2, and it is greater than or equal to minus 1.5. So I will say that ki okay, x is equal to, here from I will use this open bracket because this minus 1 by 1.5 is included. It is greater than or equal to, so here minus 1.5 comma 2, and I will use this bracket, and on number line I will show it. So this is 0, this is -1, this is -2, this is +1, +2. So in between we have -1.5. So -1.5 I have to include, and till 2 I have to go. So a straight line you must draw. Okay, use your scale and then draw. So here when I draw, I will get line like this. Okay, and here I will use a open circle. This is question number 22. Now question number 23 is, solve the following inequation, write down the solution set and represent it on a real number line. -2 plus 10x is less than or equal to 13 plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. So again what you have to do, you have to split it into different problems. So -2 plus 10x less than or equal to 13x plus 10. I will first write everything 24 plus 10x. And now see here, x belongs to integer. Okay, so every time we have to check from where we have to see the solution. In our previous problem, what was the range where we have to check? If you see the question, it is belong to real number. Okay, so for real number we have done the calculation. Now here first I will say that therefore here it is -2 plus 10x, it is less than or equal to 13x plus 10, and 13x plus 10 is less than 24 plus 10x. Now therefore what I will do, first this 13x I will bring on left. So 10x minus 13x is less than or equal to 10 plus 2. Here we get okay, and on this side we have 13x minus 10x, it is less than 24 minus 10. 10x minus 13x is minus 3x, it is less than or equal to 12, and on this side we have 3x, it is less than 24 minus 10 is 14. So therefore x is less than or equal to 12 upon minus 3, and x is less than 14 upon 3. So acha, again the same mistake I am doing. Have you got it? What mistake I have done? Here the sign will change when I divide by a negative number. So this less than will become greater than or equal to. Okay. So therefore x is greater than or equal to -4 and x is less than, now 14 divided by 3, so 3 5s are 15, 10, then 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, it will continue. Okay, so therefore my solution is x is between -4 and less than 5.33. Now x belongs to integer, therefore I will say that therefore x is equals to, now for integer, for natural number we use this curly bracket, and we use it will be from -4, -4 is included, then we have -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5.33, less than 5.33, 5 is the last integer. Now we have to show it on number line also. Let us check and represent it on the near real number line. So this is our real number line. Now on this line, here we use 0, then -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and on this side we use +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay, so this you this is how you will show this on number line. Question number 23. Okay, now question number 24. Solve the inequation 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11. So, and here x belongs to integer. So solve the inequation. Here I will write 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 is less than 11. Okay, now we will split it in two parts. So 2x minus 5 is less than or equal to 5x plus 4, and I will say that 5x plus 4 is less than 11. So here 2x on this side, 2x minus 5x is less than or equal to 4 plus 5, and 5x is less than 11 minus 4. This 2x minus 5x is minus 3x is less than or equal to 5 plus 4 is 9, and 5x is less than 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, so therefore we say that x is less than or equal to 9 upon minus 3, and x is less than 7 upon 5. Now if you see today, every time I am doing a mistake, so it means that while solving the problem, my mind is not at the problem, it is somewhere else also. Therefore I am doing this mistake. Now this is less than or equal to is changed to greater than or equal to. Now this is okay. So I will say that therefore x is greater than or equal to minus 3, and it is x is less than 7 upon 5, so 5 in the 5, 20, 5 4 the 20. So x is greater than or equal to minus 3 and x is less than 1.4. We have to, the x belongs to integer, and we have to represent the solution set on number line. So x belongs to integer, so therefore your x is, for integer you will say, for integer what you will say, it is minus 3, you will take minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, and you will take 1, because it is up to 1.4 only. And on number line, draw this number line. On this number line, here we have 0, we have 1, here we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So we will use circles like this, and this is how we show it on number line. This is question number 24. Let us see question number 25. Now here question number 25. If x belongs to integer, and a is the solution set of 2x minus 1 less than 3x minus 1, and b is the solution set of 4x minus 3 less than 8 plus x, then find a intersection b. Okay, so one chapter called set is also involved here. Okay, but let us first find the solution. A is the solution set of, so we have one equation, we have one inequation, which is 2x minus 1 less than 3x minus 1. So here we solve it, therefore it is 2x minus 1 less than 3x minus 1. So therefore 2x minus 3x is less than minus 1 plus 1. Therefore 2x minus 3x is minus x is less than 0. Therefore x is greater than 0. Fine, x is greater than 0. So therefore for set A we have now x belongs to integer. So x belongs to integer, so A will become, A is equals to, in curly brackets I will start 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will continue. Okay, Also, I have one more equation given. What is that? Second equation is 4x minus 3 is less than or equal to 8 plus x. 4x minus 3. Second equation is 4x minus 3 is less than or equal to 4x minus 3. 4x minus 3 is less than or equal to 8 plus x. It is less than or equal to 8 plus x. So therefore I will say 4x minus x is less than or equal to 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. 4x minus x is 3x. So 3x is less than or equal to 11. Therefore x is less than or equal to 11 upon 3. So therefore set B, here this x belongs to set B. So I will say that this set B is, okay, x belongs to integer. So set B is less than 11 by 3 and integer value. So integer value, what is the integer value? So it will start from dot dot dot. I will say from minus infinity it is coming, and it is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Now 3 4s are 12. It is less than 12. So 1, 2 and 3. I will stop here. Okay. This is set B. So set A and set B. Now A intersection B. What you understand A intersection B? Do you remember? This sign we use when we have to find the common element between A and B. Common element. So just see what numbers are common. So 1, 2, 3 is common. 1, 2, 3 is common, and that's it. So only 1, 2 and 3 is common. So I will write 1, 2 and 3. This is my A intersection B. Okay. So this is our 25th problem. So let us stop here. Rest of the problem we will discuss in next class. Thank you for now.